G'day all, I just got my EINSTAR Rockit in the mail, so just about to open it all up. I've cut the tape, but I haven't looked inside yet, so fingers crossed the delivery came through all right and we can check it out and see what's in the box. Alrighty, so here we are. Here's the box. But the moment of truth. Let's have a look inside. Very excited about this one. Really going to help me step up my game to get into laser scanning. I've been mainly using EINSTAR Vega before, which is fantastic, but just need that little bit of extra detail that you get with the laser products. And here we go. EINSTAR Rockit looks good. That's great. Oh, here's a nice little adapter. Oh, this is good solid weight to it. That's nice. Australia has a different plug, so that's why that is, but that's a weighty piece of equipment, that one. What's in here? Is there anything in this? Oh, just a slot and a bunch of padding. Alrighty, so let's get this out. Alright, first thoughts, pretty heavy, nice box, feels very solid. All their products, packaging is always good, and I will just say, I mean, that is some awesome packaging. Came with the courier today, which was great. So it's about the same size as my Vega box is. Let's have a look inside. It's a bit awkward doing it one-handed, sorry people. Oh, creeping around, drawing it out. Oh, sorry, the camera's all over the shop. Here we go. Let's have a look. Oh yes, brand new, look at that. Well, this is great. So we've got our calibration board holder. Oh, that's actually got rubber feet. The last one I think was just slid around, so that's great. Cable for the charging and connecting to the computer, that's good. Obviously, oh wow, heaps. Like look how many there are of these. Packets of these with dots or the markers, that's fantastic. They come in handy. Definitely going to use them. And they're not cheap to buy, so getting that many is great. Okay, what's this one? This looks like a USB battery charger. All right, let's have a look at that. Ah, very cool. And there's the little charging cable. Great, nice to see. Just put that there for the moment. Okay, we'll come back to this one. Let's see this. Oh, these are the batteries. A nice case. That's good. Waterproof case by the looks of it with a little clip. See a little clip there? That's good. And a wrist strap. That'll come in handy when I'm out and about. We've got our guide. Now what's in here? Ah, calibration boards in there. Now the last one came with a really nice little bag. Let's see what's this one. Ah, indeed, the same. It's a nice velvet bag for the calibration board. They're glass, so be cautious with them. And there we go. Oh, nice plastic. And then it's sealed as well, so that's great. Okay, I'll put that one aside. Get that out of the way. And let's have a look at the actual scanner. Now, that's fascinating. I've seen them online, but I thought it would be a bit bigger. All right, so switch the camera so I can show the opening of this bit. Let's have a look. Very exciting. It's like Christmas. Well, that's really cool. Look at that. And you know what? That's really a convenient size. I thought it was going to be maybe that big. Fits in the hand pretty well. It's going to connect wirelessly to my computer, and I can't wait to give this a try and share my first scans. But overall, that's great. Pretty stoked, as I said. The amount of the reflective markers that they've included is fantastic, because you get through these things, and I try and reuse them where I can, but you know, not always good. So, and here's the wrist strap. So put that on onto this before I start using it, so I don't drop it. I'm going to get it all charged up and we'll give it a go. Excellent. Thanks, EINSTAR. This is going to be fun. Also, thought I'd update. Added the strap. Fits nicely. that's really good to go. What I did forget to show you with regards to the case itself, I missed this on the first look. I was so excited to get to the main thing, but the case comes with a shoulder strap. So nice and easy to carry around, really solid looking thing. Definitely, I'm really happy with this.